Hi and welcome to Math Together. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on question number 7. A number n is rounded to 2 decimal places. The result is 4.76. Using inequalities, write down the error interval for n. So basically what you need to do is you need to find the lower and upper bound of 4.76. So the lower bound is 4.755 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4.765. So that's your final answer. Thank you for watching, and can you please like and subscribe? Many thanks.